Ever struggled to open Control Center on your iPhone when your other hand's busy? Like holding a coffee, your bag, or maybe your cat? Swiping down from the top corner sounds simple until it isn't. But what if I told you there's a way to open Control Center without touching the screen at all? Yep, no swipe, no tap on glass, just a simple double tap on the back of your phone. Let me show you how to set it up. What is back tap? This hidden iPhone feature is called back tap. It lets you trigger actions by double tapping or triple tapping the back of your phone. You can launch the camera, open apps, toggle settings, and yes, even open Control Center. How to set it up? Here's how to set it up in less than 30 seconds. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor, tap Touch. Scroll to the bottom and tap Back Tap. Choose Double Tap or Triple Tap, whichever you prefer. From the list of actions, select Control Center. That's it. Now give the back of your phone a quick double tap, and boom, Control Center slides in. Bonus tip. You can even use the same gesture to close Control Center too. And if Control Center isn't your thing, you can assign back tap to open the camera, mute your phone, turn on the flashlight, or even run a shortcut. It's like adding a secret button to your iPhone. Cool, right? Try it out and let me know what you assign your back tap to. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone who's always juggling their phone one-handed. Thanks for watching.